Hi everyone. So this is our second launch week. Daytona is super proud to announce a set of new features during this week. And today with us we have Toma. And Toma will give us an intro for the first day of our second launch week. Hi Toma.
Hi, Nico. Thanks for having me this time around. So the first thing we have coming up in this launch week is actually launching Jupyter as an IDE option in Daytona. So let me just start Daytona really quickly. While that gets started, I can go through the IDE list and choose Jupyter as my default IDE. And what this means is that every workspace that I create will automatically start up in Jupyter. Daytona will handle everything. You don't even need to have Jupyter installed inside a project or inside the image. We will download it for you, install Python, and install Jupyter automatically. So to get it going, I can just run Daytona create, and let's do Nico's repo.
Yeah, why not?
And I'll just, since I actually configured the default ID to be Jupyter, I can actually remove this flag as well and get this going. So the first thing that happens is Daytona actually creates a workspace, and then after the workspace is created, we will automatically start downloading the necessary dependencies for Jupyter inside this project. And finally, what happens? Zoom a bit, yeah, of course. Let's do appearance. Let's do 20. So, okay, as you can see, the actual installation of Jupyter started. Checked if Python was installed. It installs now the Jupyter notebook environment. While this downloads, Daytona keeps the SSH connection alive, and then after everything is set up, what happens is Daytona starts Jupyter and then forwards the port of the Jupyter server locally, so you can actually open the Jupyter inside your local host, and as you can see, it forwards to 8888, and I can now edit files just as I would edit them locally if Jupyter server was running locally. So I can run the environment, I can set everything up, and basically work with Jupyter as any other. So that's the, let's say, that's the first feature coming up in this launch week.
Okay, so to put it plainly, or like with Daytona, you can now quickly start your or work on your data science or machine learning or whatever projects you have directly with Jupyter. And also added benefit is that you can use a remote target. So this could be run on some remote machine with some capabilities that you need, like GPUs, which is like tremendously important for machine learning AI workloads. And just for this case that you are showing using my repo, I had this project and I had a problem because the dataset was huge and it took a lot of time for me to set everything up and to work on it locally. And basically with remote target and Jupyter ID, you can quickly prototype and play with your data on a machine as large as you need it.
Exactly.
So thank you, Toma. This is all for first day, and see you tomorrow.
See you.